Yo, welcome back to part 3 of our week of celebrating 100 subs. It's Thursday now. Happy 75 years since the D-Day invasion, I guess. Do we say happy? Celebrate? I'm not sure, but anyways, it's 75 years today since the D-Day invasion, so I hope you enjoyed that little clip there. I think historical clips are okay to use. There's no copyright issues. I was just looking at a map of Europe, and basically everything on the mainland besides Spain and Switzerland were under like German control, and Sweden. They were neutral at that time, basically. That's why they weren't occupied. If you really look at it, like D-Day was the breaking point, that was the turnaround, you know. If that never happened, their Atlantic wall that the Germans built would have been impenetrable, you know. And it's just very interesting to think how like that's one of those like butterfly event things, you know, where like that event changed everything. But that wasn't a small event, that was a huge event. Anyways, yeah, so we just finished eating, and I think you already know my routine, you know. I'm just gonna go now and play some video games. As you can see, the setup sits alive as always. So yeah, we'll be doing that. Make some videos in the morning, live stream, and then go to work. Unlike yesterday though, today will be a little bit longer day, so my schedule fluctuates from short days to like longer days, so it's all right. And also I guess we might have to deliver some bad news today, I guess, to one particular individual, and I'll tell you about that. You should watch a live stream if you want more work-related drama, by the way. But anyways, let's go make some videos. Yo guys, what's up? We are finished with our first video. We got showered and cleaned up, and now it's time to make a video, or live stream actually. It's time to live stream. So here you can look at yourself. There you are. Hello. What's up guys? So make a video and head to work. So see, we just keep going and going, dude. Yo, we are already running late for work, but check this out. We just finished streaming, everything's shut down, but here we go. I hope you get to enjoy something fun on our way to work today. I don't know if you can see guys, but oh, it's a beautiful Thursday. What the hell was that? Anyways, I need to run to work, so we'll go enjoy the ride through the rain. Alright, it's finally break time now, so I didn't get a chance to record. I hope you enjoyed that clip driving through the rain. It was really difficult to get the camera on top of my raincoat, on top of everything. It was a real mess, but anyways, we're here. We also spoke to a teacher and we got some really good insights, so I'm hoping we'll actually be able to solve everything amicably. I got a lot of really useful information that, you know, I'll tell you about once we finalize everything, so we'll see. But definitely some really useful stuff, and hopefully everything will be fine afterwards. So anyways, normal day. Today I just have 2 classes instead of 1, so we'll go and do that. And yeah, also check out this nice view here. So pretty. And that's it. That's all she wrote. We're done for the day. So now it's time to pack up my work, pack the bag, and hit the road. So I think I might actually record the ride home. I'm not sure. And also it looks like we have something very special for dinner tonight. So I'm excited. Can you see what that is? I told you we'd have a special dinner. Gonna have some KFC. She bought it.
I bought it.
Yeah, she did. So that's for dinner. Yeah, I guess that's it. I think she got me did you get the chicken sandwiches?
Yeah, 3 sandwiches.
There we go. So, gonna have some dinner. She got chicken for her, maybe some popcorn chicken. So it should be a nice
Because I
nice
abandoned
dinner.
him today.
And she was with her friends all day. So I was at home making videos, which is right, I guess, yeah.
Didn't have time to cook.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's a convenient thing.
Yeah.
We living above the KFC.
KFC's right downstairs. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna go eat. And that's that. Thanks for watching today. Again, hopefully you learned something new from those D-Day videos. You know, remember, like I like every now and then to think about stuff that happened in the past. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video, all right? Bye-bye.